This is the Beeline Moto 2. It lets you easily plan, navigate and track your rides with a sleek device that fits seamlessly into the cockpit of your bike. Now look, it has an amazing 14-hour battery life as standard, but for some of you out there that still might not be enough if you're out on long adventures and tours or the frequent daily commutes, or if you just want the peace of mind that you don't have to remember to charge it. So if that sounds like you, then this powered mount insert is exactly what you need. It's modular, so it works with any of the mounts in the premium range. It's fully waterproof, so you don't need to worry about when the rain shows up. And also, it hooks up directly to your bike's 12-volt battery, so you can keep any USB ports free to charge other devices. Plus, on top of that, it has been designed and tested to make sure it doesn't drain your bike's battery when it's not running. Although if you are storing your bike over the winter, for example, you may want to unplug the SAE connector. Now look, this is super simple to install, so let me show you exactly how. Inside the box, you've got the 2-meter cable to run to your 12-volt battery. You've got the insert as well, and a couple of extended bolts so you can fit it to your particular mount, and also a few cable ties just to tidy it up. Now before you start, of course, make sure the bike's switched off, and then you can remove the original insert from your mount with a 2.5mm Allen key. Now, as I say, there are 2 different lengths of bolt to hold this powered insert in place, so make sure you got the right one. The long one is for the handlebar mount, and the short one is for the mirror mount. Then you can take the powered insert and pop it into the mount, making sure that you're running the cable either directly up or down from the mount. Now next up, you'll need to get access to your bike's battery. On probably 90% of bikes, it's going to be under the seat, but if you need a bit of advice on that front, I'd recommend checking the manual for your particular bike. Now, once you've got access to the battery terminals, you'll need to remove these bolts and then connect this tether, with the red going to the red, of course, and black to black. Now next up, you want to run the cable up to the bars in the neatest way possible. On some bikes, you might have to lift the tank or take it off. Here, I'm just going to pass it behind this side panel and run it neatly behind the bodywork. And again, like I say, there are some zip ties in the box, so you can really neaten it up. Now that the cable's been run through, you can just push these connectors together. Then you can stick the mount on the bars and check you're getting a charge. Most importantly, always remember to replace your seat before you set off on a ride. And that's pretty much it.